Good morning, students. Today we will know about polyhedron, what are polyhedrons, and how we will calculate, how we will observe its faces, edges, and vertices. Okay, students. A polyhedron, a geometric object with flat faces and straight edges. Edges must be straight, not be curved. Okay. A polyhedron is a three-dimensional figure made up of sides called faces, each face being a polygon. Polygon means made up of number of sides like square, triangle, hexagon, pentagon means two dimensional shape. Okay, made up of lines segment, that is called polygon, and polyhedron, that is three-dimensional figure made up of faces, each being a polygon. Okay, students. Now, what do you mean by base? Here you can see lower portion is called base and top portion is known as, and point portion is known as vertex. We called it as apex vertex. Now today we will deal with two type of polyhedrons, prism and pyramid. Prism, a solid object that has two identical ends, means top and bottom made up of same shape. Okay, other faces are made up of parallelogram, maybe rectangle, square or parallelogram, but top and bottom is of same shape. Okay, now what are regular polyhedrons? Regular polyhedron, if its face is made up of regular polygon. Okay, same number of faces meet at each vertex. Okay, now cross section is same all along its length. The shape of ends gives the prism name. बच्चे जो भी टॉप और बॉटम की शेप होगी, यानी जो बॉटम की शेप होगी वही हम उस फिगर को हम उस बॉटम की शेप के अकॉर्डिंग ही उसका नेम देंगे. अगर बॉटम में ट्रायंगल बन रहा है तो हम बोलेंगे ट्रायंगुलर प्रिज्म. अगर बॉटम में स्क्वायर बन रहा है टॉप और बॉटम में तो हम बोलेंगे स्क्वायर प्रिज्म. ओके, अगर रेक्टेंगल बन रहा है तो हम क्या बोलेंगे, रेक्टेंगुलर प्रिज्म. और सेकेंड टाइप हम क्या रीड करेंगे, सेकेंड टाइप हम रीड करेंगे पिरामिड. पिरामिड का नेम भी उसके बेस के नेम के अकॉर्डिंग ही होता है. और पिरामिड क्या होता है, दैट इज अ सॉलिड ऑब्जेक्ट where base is a polygon and sides are triangles which meets at a top. If we tie a thread at the four vertex of the base and make a knot, we will get a single vertex, that is apex. It is a polyhedron named as pyramid. यानी पिरामिड में हमेशा क्या होते हैं, बेस को छोड़ के बाकी सभी फेसेस क्या होते हैं, ट्रायंगुलर शेप में होते हैं. ओके स्टूडेंट्स, नाउ यू कैन सी so many examples of pyramid and prism shape. You can observe the shape of prism as well as pyramid, triangular prism. Here it is a triangular, first one is a triangular prism. And what is the why is it called so? Because its top and bottom is made up of triangle. How many faces? You can observe it. It has 5 faces, 2 triangles and 3 rectangular faces, 9 edges and 6 vertices. You can count very easily as you have done in class 7. And second one is rectangular prism, because top and bottom is made up of rectangles, so it is called rectangular prism. And third one is cube, because its top and bottom made up of square, so it is also called a square prism. Okay students, cube is also called a square prism, or square prism is also called a cube is also called a square prism, but square prism not necessarily is a cube. For square prism, we have only top and bottom is made up of squares. Okay, other faces may be rectangular also. How many faces of rectangular prism and cube? 6 faces. Okay, two square faces, two rectangular faces are two square faces up and down, and 4 square faces all around it. 12 edges and 8 vertices. Okay, next one is square pyramid. Square pyramid, how many faces? You can easily observe it. 5 faces now, 1 square bottom and 4 triangles, 8 edges and 5 vertices. And this one is triangular pyramid. Bottom is also made up of triangle, so it is a triangular pyramid, and other 3 triangles, 1 triangle base and 3 triangle faces, 6 edges and 4 vertices. Okay, now we will learn about regular polyhedra. Polyhedra is the plural of polyhedron. Okay, a polyhedron is called regular polyhedron if its faces are congruent. Regular polygon means made up of same shape, made up of same size. Okay, regular polygon means same number of faces meet at each vertex. Here nearby 5 regular polyhedrons: tetrahedron, hexahedron, octahedron and dodecahedron. Isosacchahedron. Tetrahedron means, tetra means 4 faces, hexa means 6, octa means 8, dodeca means 12 faces. Isoscadron means 20 faces. Okay students, and this is also called palatonic solids. These regular polyhedra are known as palatonic solid. It is believed that associated with these fire, earth, air, universe and water. Okay, now this is a tetrahedron. As you know, the shape is a tetrahedron, or you called it as triangular pyramid. Okay, we called it as triangular pyramid. Now we will count the faces. How we will count the faces? Yes, it has 4 faces. Look here, very easily you can count it in this way. These are 4 faces. 1, 2, 3 and 4. Okay, faces is equal to 4. Now we will calculate edges. How many edges? These line segments are called edges. Red line segments are called edges. So you can calculate the edges. How many edges? How many line segments here of red color? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. So edges are 6. All sides are equal. Edges is equal to 6. Now we will calculate the vertices. These dots are known as vertices, where 2 line segments meet, 2 faces meets, that is called vertex. So these 4 yellow points are known as vertices. Okay, so vertices are 4. Okay students, in this way we will calculate vertices, faces and edges. Now it is the shape of hexahedron, or you called it as cube. Okay, or square prism. Clear this? We called it as square prism. Similarly, we will calculate the faces, vertices and edges. Okay, how many faces? Look here, very easily. Yes. Now you will calculate the faces. Top, bottom, sides, front side and back. Front, back, 6 faces. Okay, clear this? You have 6 faces. Now we will calculate the edges. Red line segments are the edges. Okay, 12 edges. Now we will calculate the vertices. How many vertices? These yellow dots where two lines, two faces intersect each other, that are called vertices. How many vertices? Vertices कितनी है बच्चे? You can count 8. 8 vertices है ना? Okay. Similarly, you can count the faces, vertices and edges of octahedron also. Octa means 8. Here it has 12 faces. You can count it. And edges. These are the edges. You can calculate it, 30 edges. Okay. And vertices. This we have observed faces, vertices and edges of polyhedrons. Now let's find, have any relation between faces, vertices and edges of polyhedrons? Yes, we will learn about the relation, and this relation is known as Euler's formula. Okay, first of all we will find the faces, vertices and edges of cube. Okay students, now we will observe how many faces. It have 6 faces. Look here very carefully. One top, second one is bottom, third one is front, fourth one is back, fifth one is side and sixth one is other side. All okay, 6 faces. Now vertices, 8 vertices. These are the vertices. Okay, now find the edges. How many edges? Count it. Arrows. How many arrows? 4 up, 4 down, top, bottom, 8 and 4 in the sideways. How many? 12. Clear this? Now you will add faces plus vertices and subtract edges. What will you get? 2. 6 plus 8, 14 minus 12, that is equal to 2. Similarly, you can done it for rectangular prism also, that is cuboid. In case of cuboid, you have also 6 faces, 8 vertices and 12 edges. Add faces plus vertices and subtract edges, you will get 2. Okay, so what is the relation between faces, vertices and edges? F plus V minus E is equal to 2, and this is known as Euler's formula. Okay, now we will verify for the square pyramid. Okay, let's check. In case of square pyramid, how many faces, vertices and edges? In base, it is a square, so it is called square pyramid. 4 triangles and 1 is square. So how many faces? 5 faces. Okay, clear this? You can see very easily 5 faces. Vertices is also 5. And how many edges? You can calculate, you can count. There are 4 and 4, 8 edges. Okay, you can count it. 4 plus 4, 4 in the side and 4 in the bottom. 5 plus 5 minus 8, that is equal to 2. That is F plus V minus E is equal to 2. That is Euler's formula. Now we will verify it for triangular prism. How many faces? Very easily you can see 5 faces. Okay, 2 top, bottom, 2 faces and 3 at the sides. 2 triangles and 3 parallelograms. Okay, 5 faces, 4 vertices, sorry, 5 and 4 vertices. We will count dots 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Now how many edges? Count the edges. You can count very easily. How many edges? 6 and 3, 9. Okay, add faces and vertices and then subtract edges, you will get 2. So f plus v is equal to, you will learn it as 5. You will write 5 and put a horizontal sign between them and you will get 2. In this way, you will learn this Euler's formula, that is f plus v minus e is equal to 2. Yes, students, now we will do worksheet 8. In question number first, we have to write the faces of polyhedrons. First of all, we will make the figures with pencil and then we will write the faces. We will make the figure in this way. First one is triangular prism, second one is rectangular pyramid, and third one is triangular pyramid. How many faces of first? 5 faces. Okay, and in this way you will count the faces of second and third figure and write the answer. Now in the question number second, how you have to write the vertices and edges. First of all, you will make the figure with pencil of square pyramid and triangular prism and then write the number of vertices and edges. Okay. Now, what is the question number third? In this question, is a square prism same as cube? As we have already explained it, that square prism need not to be a cube. Okay, no, because lateral faces of cube, all faces of cube are made up of square, but in case of square prism, lateral faces मतलब साइड वाले faces जरूरी नहीं है कि वो भी square हो, वो rectangle भी हो सकते हैं. तो हम रीजन क्या लिखेंगे? नो, बिकॉज in square prism lateral faces need not to be a square. It may be rectangular faces. Okay, rectangular lateral faces. Clear this? Okay, now for question number 4, we have to verify the Euler's formula. Clear? Figures are given. First of all, we will count the number of faces, vertices and edges for each of the figure and then verify the Euler's formula, either by writing f plus v is equal to e plus 2, or you can write f plus v minus e is equal to 2. In the both way, we will use. Okay, in any way, either we will use f plus v minus e is equal to 2, both are the same. If we shift e in left side, then it will become f plus v minus e is equal to 2. Okay, first of all, we will count the faces. F faces 6, vertices, how many vertices? 8. And how many edges of this first figure? 12 edges. Okay, we will count it and then verify Euler's formula. How we will verify? Add f plus v add करेंगे, e subtract करेंगे. If answer is 2, then Euler's formula is verified. Okay, otherwise it is not verified. Clear this? Answer is 2. 14 minus 12 is equal to 2, so it is verified. Similarly, we will calculate for other two figure. In second case, faces are 8 faces, 6 faces तो नीचे वाले हैं, 6 नहीं है. अब क्या है, जो टॉप वाला फेस रिमूव होके क्या बन गया, उसका पिरामिड बन गया. तो 5 फेसेस तो साइड वाले, 5 फेसेस तो बॉटम के हो गए और बाकी 4 क्या है, रेक्टेंगुलर. तो 5 and 4 कितने फेसेस हो गए? 9 फेसेस. और अब आप क्या वर्टिसेस भी काउंट कर लेंगे, एजेस भी, और सिमिलरली आप ये फॉर्मूला वेरीफाई करोगे. ओके बच्चे. Now in question number 5, we have to find unknown quantity for any polyhedron. Okay, in polyhedron first, faces are given and edges are given. You have to calculate the vertices, and in second one you have to calculate the faces, and in third one you have to calculate the edges. Okay, I am doing first and you will do other one. Okay, like this you will find the value of v. Okay, clear this? Similarly, you can do in second part and third part. Now in question 6, can a polyhedron have 10 faces, 20 edges and 15 vertices? How we will say whether it is a polyhedron or not? By using ऑयलर्स फॉर्मूला. ओके, F प्लस वी माइनस ई इज इक्वल टू क्या आना चाहिए 2. अगर आंसर 2 आ रहा है तो ये पॉलीहेड्रन पॉसिबल है, अदरवाइज नहीं है. तो 10 प्लस 15 माइनस 20, 25 minus 20, that is equal to 5. So it cannot be a possible. In this way you will do worksheet 8 in your fair notebook. Okay, have a nice day.